Hi children, good morning. How are you children? You all are fine? Yes. Children, today I take third class English. So everyone open your English textbook children. So today we learn 32 lesson, writing a paragraph. Writing a paragraph. Okay children, see picture competition. Look at the picture and read the story. So see children, picture is there. A little boy could not find his puppy. So one little boy could not find his puppy. He looked everywhere. So the little boy looked everywhere. He went to his the garden. He asked his neighbor about the puppy. So children, so he went to his garden. So the little boy, he went to his garden. He asked neighbor. So what about the puppy? She said the puppy was in the garden. So neighbor said puppy was the garden. He was playing with the ball. He was playing with the ball. Who children? Puppy. Puppy was playing the ball. The boy climbed over the fence. The boy climbed over the fence. Children, pick up this puppy and went home happily. So pick up the puppy and went home happily. Okay children, look at the series of picture and fill in the blanks with words from the box. See children, four pictures are there. See, tiger, elephant, zebra, everything is there children. So we'll here fill the blanks children. The tiger was dashing. It had the gold and black stripes on its rabbit. It was awaiting dash to come to the very soon a few and some two came to the water. The tiger suddenly jumped in the bushes. The zebra finally caught from the tiger, took it then to the shade the food is. So dashes is there children. So blanks. So we'll fill children. Okay, ready? Yes. The tiger was hiding in the jungle. So write that fill blank children. So first one that is jungle. Okay. And it had gold black stripes on its body. It was waiting for their other animals. 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 To come to the lake. 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 Very soon as a few rabbits. 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 Buffaloes. 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 As zebra finally caught on the tiger took it is done to share the food with its cubs. So write neatly children. Jungle, animals, lake, rabbits, buffaloes, cubs. So this is story children. What is the story? The tiger was hiding in the jungle. The tiger was hiding in the jungle. He had gold and black stripes on its body. It has gold color children, black stripes on its body. It was waiting other animals to come to the lake. It was waiting to the other animals come to the lake and drink the water. Very soon few rabbit, buffalo and some zebras come to drink water. Very soon at the lake, rabbits, buffaloes and zebra drink the water that lake. The tiger suddenly jump out from the bushes. It chased the zebras. Okay children. So zebras drink water. The tiger suddenly jumped out from the bushes, it chased the zebra to finally caught. The tiger suddenly jumped on the bushes, children. It chased the zebra, finally caught one. So one zebra is caught finally, children. The tiger took its den to shade the food with curbs. So tiger den to shade the food, that zebra food with its cubs, its young ones, small cubs. Okay, children, understood? See, children, next. So, children, next bit. Second, look at the picture of the railway platform. What are the people doing? Write 10 sentences about the various things that are happening in the picture. Use the words in the box. So, children, this paragraph is your homework, children. Second one, platform. So, write here. What, children? Write 10 sentences. So, this is your homework. Platform. Okay. So, next, turn the page. Paragraph. A paragraph is a group of sentences which tell us about place, person, or something that happen. So, paragraph tell about what, children? Group of place, person, about something of the happen. Remember the following points while write paragraph. So, remember, children, while write the paragraph, how to write the paragraph. Think of the ideas you want to cover and write them down in brief. So, children, think the ideas and to cover the right in your own briefs. Okay, children. The first two sentences of the paragraph should say what the paragraph is about. First two sentences should write what is the paragraph is about. Give a title to your paragraph. Give to a title to your paragraph. The title should say what the paragraph is. Title should say what is the paragraph is about. Read the paragraph. My favorite toy. See, children, here one paragraph is there. My favorite toy. My favorite toy is a train set. So, my favorite toy is a train set. My father gave it to me at 8th birthday. So, the father gave to the 8th birthday. It has a train with 5 bogies. So, it's train with the 5 bogies, a big track in the shape of number 8. The track also number 8 and 3 tunnels. It works with a battery. The train works with a battery which goes into the engine. It even makes a whistle sound like a real train. So, which goes to the engine, children. It's make a whistle sound like real train. It's the toy, train toy. The train also blink when it moves. So, the train toy. So, when the also blink when it moves. My friend Neha and I pulled the train track. So, my friend Neha and pulled the train track. He put together 16 pieces that make it sit up. So, we put it together 16 pieces that make it up. We had a lot of fun doing it. Now, we set up the tracks and play with the set every Sunday. So, children, pieces that make it up. So, we had a lot of fun doing. Now, we set up and also with separate children. Track and go play with this set every Sunday. So, we set up the train and play with the every Sunday. Now, write a paragraph of the following topic. Use the given suggestion. So, children, here some topic is there for paragraph. A family day. Write about this outing. Your paragraph include this point. So, family day. This point, children, you write the family day. Where you went, how many you are were there, what you like some most about outing, what you did there, any special thing about the place. So, these points you write the family day about. Okay, children. A dream. Write about your dream you had. It could be a happy dream or something that you have fear. It could also be something that you imagine. Use this point. So, your dream could be happy dream, something that you have fear. It could be something that you imagine. Use the points, children. What you saw in the dream. So, what you saw dream in the night. The people who were in your dream. Who people you were there in the dream. How you felt when you wake up. Whether you told any about the dream. How you felt when you wake up. Whether you told anyone about your dream. Write a paragraph and how to make a mango shake. You can use in the point. So you write the paragraph how to make a mango shake. You can use these points. Chop a mango into small pieces. Put pieces of the mango in a blender. Add milk and sugar. Pour the mango shake into a tall glass. Complete the paragraph using your imagination. So these points you take write a paragraph of mango shake. Complete the paragraph using your imagination. One day I saw a stranger looking creature walking into my garden. I went on and saw. So this is write your paragraph in your classwork book, children. Okay. So next, my favorite toy is your homework, and this is the railway station also. Railway platform is your homework, children. Yes. So my favorite toy. So it's finished, children. So my favorite toy. So write in your classwork book, children. My favorite toy is train. Is a train set. So write classwork book, children. My father gave it to me for my 8th birthday. It has a train with 5 bogies. Okay, children. And next comma, a big track in the shape of the number 9. Sorry, number 8. And 3 tunnels. It works with a battery. Which goes into the engine it even makes a whistling sound like real train. The train lights also blink when it moves. My friend Neha. So write neatly children, some 3 lines are there. So my favorite toy is train set. My father gave it to me for my 8th birthday. It has a train with 5 bogies, a big train in track in the shape of the number 8 and 3 tunnels. It works with a battery which goes into the engine. It even makes a whistling sound like a real train. The train lights also blink when it moves. So my friend Neha. So more 2 lines are there children. First you write this paragraph. So finish children. Everyone should write it in your classwork book children. This is my favorite toy. Okay. So next more 2 lines are there. So Neha and I built the train track we put together the 16 pieces that make it up. We had a lot of fun doing it. Now we set up the tracks and play. With the set every Sunday. With the set every Sunday. So children, so writing a paragraph, understood children how to write a paragraph? Okay, so writing a paragraph lesson is completed children. So write Sakshi in your textbook. So your homework is children, see here, page number 107, second bit. Page number 107, second bit children. Homework write one time in your classwork book. Classwork book and textbook also. Okay children, so what is the homework? Look at the picture of the railway station, railway platform. What are the people doing? Write 10 sentences about the various things happening in the picture. Use words in this box. So this is your homework children. First write in your textbook and classwork book also children. When your textbook and classwork book is completed, you take the photo and send me school email ID children. Okay, write Sakshi in your textbook. Okay children, so we'll meet you next class. So bye children, take care.